Namaskar, my name is Rahul Verma. I am a hotelier and social trainer. Today I would like to share few of my experience which I have gone through during this lockdown phase. I'm really excited to share this with my all fellow hoteliers, and trust me, it really helped me a lot during this long lockdown phase. I would rather say it's a takeaways for me from the lockdown. Physical activity is very important. Daily exercise is required for our physical fitness along with yoga and meditation if we can. There are lots of healing techniques you can learn, which will be really value addition for strong mental strength and physical strength too. Second, I recommend e-learning is the key aspect of our life, the e-courses for our personal and professional growth. Make sure that 1 hour we dedicated for our e-learning. Third, reading books is a key part of our life. Any kind of books important. Depends on our choice, our likings. But 1 hour also need to be dedicated. Look, I'm just giving you my what I did. You might adjust as per your schedule, as per your suitability, and as per your convenience. Now, reading books are very important. Any kind of books, as per your taste, as per your likings, as per your choice. Fourth, spending time with your kids. Not spending time acting like a tutor, acting like a mentor. What you have learned for your life, in your life so far, you need to pass on to your next generation also. And trust me, it helps the kid, it helps you, and it's a great experience that you need to really do yourself to understand this aspect. It could be anything. It could be your hobby, it could be a craft, it could be your any skill, anything which you know, need to pass it on to your kids and need to be mentored and taught by you. Now, the fourth aspect what I can see is indulging and involving yourself in some entertainment and recreational activity. Dedicate a time slot where you listen music, you want to dance, you want to hip hop, whatever you feel like, you can do that. It's really keep you charged and eases out the balance your sentiments and emotions. Of course, the fifth is very important, your balanced diet. As we are not going for any junk food. So cook whatever you feel like. There are ample of dishes and recipes are available online. You can refer it, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, as per your choice. Help your family, your spouse to in cooking, and jointly as a family cooking, do something for the family and dine. It's a great experience and it's a great stress buster. Playing a board games with your kids, not with kids, for entire family together for some time. Again, it's a great relief. It's a blessing, which we have stopped doing it. It could be there are so many board games and caroms and all the cards are available. Now, always try to have a backup of your secondary skill, which might be helpful in during any crisis or during tough time, during stressful situation. You can develop that plan B and could be helpful in your earnings also. So that is very important for the life. If you do not have, develop one. We are never late for anything. And the very important aspect, don't allow time to drive you. It's your time, it's your life. You need to decide the time slot. You need to dedicate the time slot for your activity. What I'm trying to say, back to your schools, back to your hostels, follow disciplined timetable, morning till evening. Whatever you want to do, keep a slot for it. You need to drive your time, rather time driving you. No, don't allow that. And very important about the media, which play a very important role in terms of maintaining your sentiments and emotions and what happens in the back of your mind, your positivity, your negativity, your thought process, your insight, your reaction, you respond, your behavior, everything gets changed. That is social media. Don't say yes for all application notifications. Control the notification, control your feed, control your news. You know what is required for your life, how much news would you require to survive in this world, what is required for you, what is your priority list, what is good for your job, for yourself, for your home, for your family. Limit your feed. Do not allow yes to all notification in your mobile apps. Block the notification and control the feed as per your liking, as per your requirement rather. And make sure that you are not spending more time on the social media. Limit your social media, control your social media, because whatever information you get nowadays on the social media is good for nothing. And if you like to post anything on social media, just go and post it and back. You don't need to see who is replying what. Will not make any difference to your life, right? I mean, I believe whatever I said is my personal belief, and I'm sure it has really helped me a lot in this tough time. And so I thought of let me share with my dear fellow hoteliers. It might be a helping hand and add value to your life also. So this is what I have spent my lockdown so far, and I must say that I have started exercise after 20 years, just to share with you, and I'm really happy about it. I'm glad. That's why, don't take me other way. I'm glad this lockdown has happened. I'm very fortunate. I join my hands and pray to God for this lockdown, because I don't know. It has given me a very, very extensive opportunity for my personal and professional life. And of course, my objective is to pass it on to my community, to my colleagues, to my friends, to my industry. So I hope this might help. And thank you so much for hearing me out. And I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay at home. Namaskar.